and we have done it till cartage we have done, factory heating and lighting we were doing. So factory heating and lighting is also your direct expense. Because it is a factory expense. It is how much? It is 6,600. Now next is works expenses. Works expenses I need to explain because it is a new term for you. Works expenses also mean factory expenses. Works expenses also mean it is another name of factory expenses. Fine. So in which account you will be writing it? Trading account, profit and loss account, or balance sheet? It will also come in trading account to works expenses. And it is how much? 15,200. 15,200. Then rent received. Rent received is 7,300. In which account you will be writing it? Trading, profit and loss, or balance sheet? Rent received. Yes, very good. Because it is an indirect income. It is having credit balance, that's why it is an income. All incomes have credit balance. It will be written here by rent received. $7,300. Okay. So next is cash at shop. Cash at shop is your current asset, cash in hand. So cash in hand, or you can write simply here cash at shop. Both are same. Accounts receivable. So accounts receivable is a combination of, is another name of debtors. Accounts receivable is another name of debtors. And this time you have been given the names of debtors also. You have been given names of the debtors also. So, but we will not write them separately in the balance sheet. Yes, these are all are personal accounts. Very good. And because these are personal accounts, first thing, all personal accounts are written in the balance sheet. All personal accounts are written in the balance sheet. Now the point is that first decision I have done, which type of account these are personal. Then second decision I have to do, where should I write it? Either in trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So when you will identify the nature, you will come to know that it is a personal account. That's why it will go to balance sheet. This is the second thing. Now in balance sheet also there are two sides. One is asset and one is liability. So I have to decide where should I write it. So all because it is having debit balance, that's why it will be a asset for the business. It is a asset of the business. So that's why it will go to asset side. Accounts receivable, now total it 8, 5, 13, 114, 14,500. So it is sundry debtors. Instead of sundry debtors, I can write here accounts receivable 14,500. You can give a working note by writing the names over there, that these are the accounts receivable given in the question. Same is the way for accounts payable. Can you tell me what can be accounts payable? What will be the other term for accounts payable? Yes, it is creditors. Fine. So it will be 23,540. So accounts payable is your creditors. We will be writing the same term as given in the question. Accounts payable 23,500. Now horses and carts. You have to classify them either in personal, real or nominal. You can classify, or expense, asset, income, or gain. Liability. Expense, asset, liability, or gain. Income, revenue. Which one it will be? Horses and carts. Yes, very good. Very good. It is the asset of the business. Here I will be writing it. 25,000. Bills receivable and bills payable. Now bills receivable will be having debit balance or credit balance, because two amounts are given here. That's why I have to decide which one is of bills receivable and which one is of bills payable. So bills receivable will be how much? 10,000 or 2,120? Yes, very good. Bills receivable is our asset. That's why it will be having debit balance. And bills payable is your current liability. It is 2,120. Now rent paid. Rent paid is your expense. It is in that expense. 15,000. Fire insurance premium and life insurance premium. So fire insurance premium is the expense of the business. 4,800. fire insurance premium. $4,800. And life insurance premium is the drawings of the proprietor, 6,000. So it will be subtracted from here. Yes, please. Any query till here? Bank overdraft is your liability, 67,000. Then bank interest. Bank interest is your expense, 2,400. Telephone expenses, 3,000. Advertisement expenses, 5,200. Salaries and wages, 32,240. Then freehold property, it is also your fees set. Freehold $81,000. Audit fees, 1,500. So you can see we have posted all the accounts in this trial balance in our statements. So now we will calculate the gross profit, then net profit. So this is our balance sheet. Now, first we will check which side total is greater. In trading account, which side total is greater? Tell me. So it will be credit side is greater 0, then 0, then 8, then 7, 6, 13, then 2 plus 5, 7, and then 1. So total will be 1,73,800, and that total has to be underlined. This total we will be writing here on the opposite side, same total, and now we will start subtracting. So it will be 0, then 2 plus 8, 10, 1 carry on, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14, 4, 18. 1 will be carry on. 1 plus 5, 6, 7, 13, 15, 21, 26. 26 plus 7, 33. 3 plus 1, 4, 9, 13, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. And 1 will be carry on, so 1 will come automatically here. So that's why your gross profit will be 37,480. Yes, please. If any confusion, let me know that. Now this gross profit will come here, 37,480. Now tell me which side total is greater. Debit side or credit side? Yes, very good. Debit side total is greater, so that's why this time my expenses are than my incomes. So that's why I will be having loss here. So that will come by net loss. So first I will do total here this time. 0, then 4, then 8 plus 2, 10, plus 2, 12, 5, 17, plus 4, 21. Then 2 plus 4, 6, 9, 14, 16, 21, 22, 24. 24 will be done. Then 2 plus 3, 5, 1, 6. 64, 140. So this will be the total. Now we will writing same total here on the opposite side, and out of this total I will subtract it. So it will be 0, then 8 plus 6, 14, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 will be carry on. 1, 7, 8, 7, 15, plus 9, 24, 2 plus 3, 5, 1, 6. So your net loss will be 19,360. And now I will subtract this net loss from here. Net profit will be added and net loss will be subtracted. And it is 19,360. So if you will subtract these all from 1,30,000, then you will get 94,640. And your balance sheet total will come 1,87,300. And this time this will also come 1,87,300. Yes, please. So this question is also complete.